A two-part solution is required to reform the immigration system. Those who are here working illegally must recognize an advantage to coming to our country legally, and employers must be penalized for employing illegal workers. Presently, we allow 222,000 people to obtain green cards to enter the United States each year to live based on family connections. We allow approximately 140,000 people to move here with work visas. There are other smaller categories of immigration as well, but these numbers are most of the people we allow to come to our country legally each year to live and work, and are the categories most often discussed. The law provides that only 7% of the total we allow in each year can come from any single country. Therefore, the typical person trying to move to the United States from Mexico under a green card or work visa competes for one of approximately 25,000 slots. That allocation is dwarfed by the number of people who wish to move here from Mexico. The waiting list is many years long from Mexico. Therefore, people come here illegally. A common sense solution is to allow more people to move to the United States legally each year from countries where people want to come to the United States in greater numbers. An argument could be made that the 7% restriction from any one country keeps the United States from becoming overrun from people from any single foreign country. That argument overlooks the fact that we have somewhere between 11 million and 18 million illegal immigrants here already. Almost certainly the greatest percentage of these people are from Mexico and Central America as a whole. The sheer number of illegal immigrants here already is a testament to the fact that our country can absorb that many people in excess of our normal immigration quotas. I am not advocating that we instantly allow 18 million people into our country from Mexico. What I am advocating is that the quota from Mexico and Central America could be greatly increased to reflect the increased demand from those countries. Such a step would provide a real opportunity for people to move here legally and remove the advantage of jumping the legal line and coming here illegally. The second part of the immigration solution is to impose stiff penalties on employers who are unable to prove that their employees are legal citizens. Presently, there is no real risk to an employer who employs illegal workers. The employer just collects bogus documents, and the employer is covered under the law. Placing the burden on the employer to actually prove that its workers are legally in the country is a real change and a workable solution. The employer is in the best position to require real documentation, and a federal database exists for employers to verify Social Security numbers for workers. Most employers simply do not bother to use it. The penalty imposed on an employer who is unable to prove the legal status of its workers could be in the form of large fines or the suspension and possible loss of the employer's business license, similar to the system Arizona has imposed. Arizona has taken the only step a state can take by penalizing the employers of illegal workers, but the federal government is the only government entity capable of changing the immigration quota system, which is the other necessary part of immigration reform.